Hello students, welcome to the sixth part of Notable Writers. Today I am going to talk about Mulk Raj Anand. He was an Indian writer in English. His depiction of the lives of poorer caste in traditional Indian society is notable. He is one of the pioneers of the Indo-Anglian fiction together with his contemporaries like R.K. Narayan, Ahmed Ali and Raja Rao. Anand is admired for his novels and short stories which has acquired the status of classics of modern Indian English literature. They are noted for their perspective insight into the lives of the oppressed and for their analysis of impoverishment, exploitation, and misfortune. He became known for his novel Untouchable. Students, let me tell you something about his earlier life. Anand was born on 12th December 1905 in Peshawar. Now it is in Pakistan. He studied at Khalsa College, Amritsar and graduated with honours in 1924 before moving to England. While working in a restaurant to support himself, he attended University College London as an undergraduate and later studied at Cambridge University, earning a PhD in philosophy in 1929. Anand married English actress and communist Kathleen Van Glider in 1938. They had a daughter Sushila before they divorced in 1948. Let me talk about his career. Anand's literary career was launched because of a family tragedy that arose due to the rigidity of India's caste system. One of his aunt committed suicide because her family incommunicated her for sharing a meal with a Muslim woman. His first novel, Untouchable, published in 1935, is a chilling expose of the lives of India's untouchable past. Anand kept on dividing his time between London and India during the 1930s and 40s. He was active in Indian independence movement. While he was in London, he wrote propaganda on behalf of the Indian cause alongside India's future Defence Minister V.K. Krishna Menon. While trying to make a living as a novelist and journalist, he did this job. He also travelled to Spain to volunteer in the Spanish Civil War. He spent World War II working as a scriptwriter for the BBC in London. Anand returned to India in 1947 and continued his literary output there. His work includes poetries and essays on wide range of subjects as well as autobiographies, novels and short stories. Prominent among his novels are The Village in 1938, Across the Blackwater in 1939, The Sword and the Sickle in I think so it's 1942, all written in England, and Coolie in 1936 and The Private Life of a Prince in 1953 are perhaps the most notable work written in India. He also founded a literary magazine, Marg, and taught in various universities. Anand also delivered a series of lectures on eminent Indians including Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, commemorating their achievements and significance and paying special attention to their distinct brands of humanism. Anand was a lifelong socialist. His novels attack various aspects of India's social structure as well as the legacy of British rule in India. They are considered important social statements as well as literary artifacts. Anand himself was steadfast in his beliefs that politics and literature cannot be separated from one another. If we talk about different awards that were received by Anand, Anand won International Peace Prize in 1953. He was also given Padma Bhushan in 1968, Sahitya Akademi Award in 1971 for his autobiography Morning Faces, written in 1968. His other autobiographies are Seven Summers, which was written in 1951, Conversation in Bloomsbury in 1981, and Pilpali Sahab in 1985. Later, in 1950, Anand again married a Parsi classical dancer from Mumbai. Her name was Shirin Wajivdar. Anand died of pneumonia in Pune on 20th September 2004 at the age of 98. Before I end this video, I just want to repeat some of his notable works. Coolie, Two Leaves and a Bud, The Village Across the Blackwater, which I have already mentioned, The Sword and the Sickle, The Big Heart, The Lost Child. Class 9 students can easily relate with Lost Child because they have this lesson in their textbook of English. Seven Summers, A Memory, The Private Life of an Indian Prince, The Old Woman and the Cow, The Road, and of course many more. So students, let me just tell you that before I end this video, I want you to go through this video one more time. Just make a short note on Mulk Raj Anand. He is one of the pioneer writers of English in India. And let us meet very soon with another notable writer. Till then, bye bye. Be safe, be home.